Hey everybody, this is Josh Taylor with Brinkley RV. Today we're going to be talking about the MORryde IS Independent Suspension System, which is an option for all Model Gs. MORryde IS Independent Suspension System. What is it? This system is designed so each wheel moves independent from one another. This is a triaxle unit, so there's 6 wheels on this, 3 on each side. So if you're going down the road and you hit a pothole on this side of the coach, it's not going to transfer the shock to the other side of the coach. Those wheels are going to stay in contact with the road at all times. That's going to increase your traction. The other thing it does is it gives you 5 inches of vertical travel for each wheel, and it does this with a rubber shear spring on the inside. It also works in tandem with Monroe shocks. What that does is that's going to lessen the shock transfer from a pothole on the road to your unit and going to give you a much smoother ride. Now this replaces the axles on your unit, so you're not going to have axles going underneath. It is equivalent to an 8,000 pound axle system, however. It also includes disc brakes, so you have enhanced stopping power. For more information about Brinkley in general, go to brinkley.rv.com or visit your local dealer.